Hi, Chris here from Adventure Breaks, and I wanted to show you how much room your core camping gear is going to take up in your rucksack. So here we've got a 70-litre rucksack. I'd recommend 65 to 70 litres. We've got a tent, sleeping bag, sleeping mat, camping stove, and then the ruler and the bottle of wine are just to add a bit of scale. So 30cm ruler or a standard bottle of wine. So when we pack this bag, it's going to end up just with this core camping gear at about 80% full volume wise, leaving us a relatively small amount of room for food, clothes and some water. So that's the stove and cook set there and gas. So this is everything in. You can see it's fairly full. There's a bit more room still. What I'd usually do is have some clothes for other days at the bottom. I normally just take one change for 2 days. Then I'd have food here for days 2 and days 3. And then I'd have my waterproofs over the top. And that's pretty much it in here. I'd seal that up. Then this top compartment has got a reasonable amount of volume, so I'd have food for the current day in there, and that just leaves drinks. So I'd have a water pack, a hydration pack down one of these side pockets, and then the straw from the bladder coming over down through these loops, and then I can drink it as I'm going along. So that's my core camping gear, and I still need to leave room for food, my clothes and water. So the answer to what size backpack to take for wild camping is 65 to 70 litres. I've included links below to 2 Osprey packs. Osprey are pretty much the best packs you can get. Because they're more expensive though, I've also included links to a more budget backpack below. If you're interested in wild camping, Adventure Breaks runs wild camping for beginners courses. You can watch a video here to find out more about that, so click there if you'd like to know more. This video here is what food to take wild camping, and this video here is what to pack for wild camping. So again, all the links are below, or now is the time to click on one of these videos.